Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video we have seen this setup, and we have talked about a lot. And I was at work, and you have seen me run like 3 or 4 times. Since it's crazy. My plan is to leave that thing for other people, alright? So I don't want to involve myself there. I'm not gonna engage myself there. So I am just there until I get something concrete and until I get some capital to start this thing. It's okay. After that I will be off. Okay, I will be off. I know I'm gonna make money out of the market using the black box. It's just easy. It's too easy. It is too easy, bro. It's unbelievable. It is too easy. It is too easy. So anyways, we have some setups there. We have some setups down there. We have talked a lot. Go watch it. Grab your notebook, grab your pen, and go watch it. Okay, and listen to what I have said. I have said a lot. I have said a lot of things that I myself didn't know before. So it's crazy. It's crazy. Another setup is the third setup. And we have another setup, and then finally we have talked about right here. We have talked about this one right here. Then today in this video will be running to this one. Will be exploring this chart. Okay, so let's go. Let us see. Do you see any black box around you? My eye just went straight to that area right there. When I just see candles trading sideways, I know there is gonna be a black box right there. I know there is gonna be a black box right there. So every consolidation I'm looking at it. Okay, I'm focusing. So let's go to there. Let's go to there and what the hell is on me? Isn't this crazy? This is the start of the uptrend. It is just nuts. It's ridiculous. So this is a oh god. I got something to eat here. So as you can see, we had a black box here, right? So how do I know that? One, that is an engulfing one, but it is an inside one. Two, and then all I want for the third candle to do is to trade 23%, right? 23.6%. What is that? 50%. 23 means it's down there. That's 23. If we are projecting it to the upside, you already know the shit. I don't want to repeat myself. Okay. That is 71% or 71 point something. I don't know. So these are the important levels. The levels between 23 and 71. These are the important levels to determine if the consultation is really the black box. Okay. So in this case we traded the downside, right? Which means it is satisfied, and we traded the upside, right? So we measure from up there to down there, from the bodies, and your TP would be you are aiming TP3. You are aiming TP3 for the breaking candle. I already told you that. How do you determine? You determine by using the first two candles, the previous two candles before the breaking candle. Okay, determine this one. You use the bodies if they have a full body. You use the wicks if they are dodgy, if they have no body up. Just like this one, right? This is a perfect example. You use your bodies. How do you use your bodies? You don't use the highest wick and the lowest wick. You want to use what is equal. If there is no equal wicks, then you're gonna use the next lower candle's wick. Which is it? Which is it in this case? In this case, it is this one, the lower one, this one, the lower candles. Okay? And then TP3 is most likely above there. You take partials. You take partial. I don't care if it is 30%. Take partials. And let the other. Okay. And then, after this candle has finished trading, I'm sorry for jumping over there because that's a perfect example. I will come over here. Okay. So we use the body. So if this candle has finished trading, we use the body. You use the body from the low to the high, right? And then determine your TP. Simple, right? Simple. This is what I have taught. It's one of the things that I have taught in the previous video. That's why it's very important to start watching the episodes on episode 1 from episode 1. We have unraveled, we have revealed so many secrets that a notebook will be needed to go along with me. Okay. To go along with me. So let me come over here. Then what happened? What exactly happened? So right here we have 1, 2, 3. Just like I told you, I say buy. Why? 2.5% broken. Buy. Stop loss down there. Then we use the bodies. If you see if TP3 is in. If TP3 is not in, then you do not take partials. You wait for the third candle to close. So in this case it closed. So as you can see, the bodies, you connect the highest body to the lowest body from the 3 candles, and then you determine. Definitely TP3 is hit up there. But what does that mean? That means it's take profit time, baby. 30% off. 30% off right there up there. Even if you, yes, it is 30% off right there. Okay, 30% off right there. Why? Since the bodies are very small, the TP is gonna be very small too. Alright? TP1, then TP2, TP3 above there, right? And TP3 above there. So if it is like this, what have we talked about in the previous video? We have talked ways to remove, ways to stop trade. Okay, to never enter a trade at all. There are mistakes. There are things that we should consider before entering a trade. What's that? What is that? Do you remember it? If you wrote it in your notebook, you would remember. If you just watch the skipping parts, you would forget. You do not even notice. You not even notice anything. So that is there, down there. If TP2 and your entry are in the same area, what do? You do not enter a trade. So in this case, we didn't know that our entry, and since this candle broke, since the third candle broke first, we didn't know if the black box ends up closing down there. So we are already in trade. So in this case, we are already in trade. Okay. But if you got this black box after the third candle has closed, and if it is like this, and when you determine your TP2 is around where you should enter, then there is no point in entering at all. So you gotta wait for another black box to form. Okay. But if you entered before the third candle has closed like this, then it is okay. It's okay. You already bought that, so all you have to do is wait for TP2 and TP0 to be near. So at TP2 take partials. It's okay. it's okay, believe me. Then the market will never live like this, will never live a week like this. So most likely a week is gonna be filled. A week will be filled. Okay, just like here, a week right here, the market came back and filled it. Okay, the week will be filled, which means our TP2 mostly TP3 will be hit. So we take partials. Okay, then after that, what happened? After that, another black box formed. Where exactly? Either 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? So, what do? You buy. Where? At the grid. Because at the grid, 2.5% is gone. It is obliterated. What does that mean? It means our algorithm is in a buy program now. So, we are looking higher price. We are seeking higher price. Okay? We are reading higher price. It's upside. Alright, son, what do? You buy? Stop loss down. Based on, just like I showed you, for the breaking candle, you take partials at TP3, only at TP3. If the breaking candle does not reach TP3, don't take partials. Wait for the third candle to close. After closing, you determine the normal way. You determine your TP. As you can see here, I already placed TP2. TP2 is upside. We are not interested about TP1. You can uncheck the TP1 on your Fibonacci. Okay? We don't use that shit. It's just distraction. Then after that, the market retraced. What does that mean? It means I am buying. Why? TP2 is not hit. Market is in a buy program, and TP2 is not hit. TP2 must be hit at least. If it is not hit, it must get really close. That the gap between them is negligible. It cannot be seen. I mean, 95% should be reached of the TP2. It should really get close to it. That's why I tell you to take partials if it gets really close to your TP. Whether it is TP2, whether it is TP3, whether it is TP4, no one cares if it is TP. When it gets really close, when it is about to touch it, you take partials. Because I have seen markets get close, really close, and dump the downside. Get really close and pump to the upside. So then this thing dumped. What does that mean? It means it is best for us. We already know we are in a buy program. The next thing is we know we are in a buy program, and our stop loss and our entry is gonna be beautiful. Look, our entry is this one. Why? We are entering as a silver zone. I already told you. Well, look where the price stopped, bro. Look where it stopped. Is this a coincidence? No. This is not a freaking coincidence, bro. They really deliberately came back here. Okay? It's a deliberate attempt. It is not a random thing. It is deliberate. They know there is something here. So they touched it, bam. That is sniper entry, bam. We enter rise here, bam. It's really beautiful. An attempt to move up, it didn't really push it. It came back again. What is it now? Another buy. If you enter 1%, it's okay. If you enter 3 trades, it is gonna be 3%. It will be 3% in total. Your first entry upside, your second entry has a retest, your third entry has a second retest. Okay? Then your aim is TP2 upside. That's your aim. That's where the price must be going. That's where it should gravitate to. That's where you take 30% of your partials off. So we enter the 3 trades. We enter the 3 trades for this one, right? Bam, bam. Your stop loss down there. It is down there. Why? We need to leave a room for the big money to hunt the ignorant retail trader. The ignorant retail trader, they put stop loss just at the low or just below the low. We are smart. We know the footprints. We know the footprints. The black box focuses on a highly probable, statistically proved setups. That's why you see price come really close to 2.5%. The red line, and still didn't change a thing. It still moved to your TP. I've already showed you on my previous videos. It is nuts. It is nuts. It is not a coincidence, bro. It's not a coincidence. It is planned. It's a planned attack. It's a planned execution. So what you're gonna do here is you already enter 3 trades. Buy. Then buy. Then buy. I said, buy 3 trades. Target, bam. Another target, bam. Another target, bam. It continues. So that's a buy. But before that, what happened? We got a sell. Where? Right down there. What does that mean? That means I'm gonna sell, bro. That means I will sell. That means I will sell. From up there to down there, I measure the bodies and project the downside. Okay, and then I measure the 2 previous bodies and determine the TP for TP3 for the breaking candle, the third candle, because the third candle broke. If the third candle didn't break, and if it was equal, like inside the 2 previous candles, then what's gonna be was I'm gonna use the bodies, and I'm not gonna determine a TP for the third candle. It didn't break anything. So the reason that we do this is because the third candle might be the stop, might be the last place where the price is might stop. Most of the time I have seen this, after the third candle broke, it trades a little bit low and then moves up. When we are dumping, the third candle breaks upside, it trades a little bit up by another candle and then dumps. So in order to prevent this, we have to take partials for the third candle. Okay, I am mitigating every risk. I'm mitigating every risk. So when you determine this, your TP3 is not most likely hit. The TP3 is not most likely hit. Okay, what does that mean? It means I'm already in a buy position here, and the price is coming back down. The price is coming back down there. To where? To there, right there. Okay? Okay? That's why I tell you to go back a little bit and see if there is a black box that didn't hit TP2. That is inefficient black box. Inefficient. Just like this one. This black box is inefficient in a buy side. With a buy side, it's inefficient. It is not delivered. Why is it in a buy side? Because we are already in a buy program. We are already in a buy program, so we anticipate a higher price. That's why. Then this thing dumped. We move the lot to the downside. If you measure the bodies of the 2 previous candles, TP3 is most likely gonna be down there. Your entry down there. Okay, so a little bit profit and reverse direction almost instantly. So that's why I tell you that. That's why I tell you that this is a third candle breaking. It trades a little bit in the reverse direction sometimes. So the good thing is we found another black box here, and we are inside the previous black box here. We are inside the previous black box that's undelivered. That's why we hunt for the previous black boxes that didn't hit TP2. So as you can see, that's a buy, two buys, and then there was a sell down there. I'm waiting my stop loss up there, and then we got a buy down there. Not yet, we are not entering yet. Why? Because as you know, we are not entering it. I didn't break 2.5%. We wait. Then the third candle formed, the fourth, then the fifth. Then these three candles formed their own gang, their own group. What does that mean? Now I'm gonna focus on this one, not this one. But I'm gonna use this one as my TP extension for the upward direction. As you can see, every single black box that didn't hit TP2 was measured by me. I measured them. First, it was in the downside direction because we were selling. Based on this, I am in upside direction already bought, so I already placed my extension to the upside. Why? We broke the upside. Right there, we broke the downside. What does that mean? I'm gonna extend the downside. If we change direction, I'm gonna extend the upside. I reverse it. And then this formed, this never broke anything, so I'm gonna extend it to the downside. Wow, the existing trend is, the recent trend is to the downside, as you can see, this pause. And then this one broke up there. What is that? That's a buy. Stop loss down there. Not much risk, that's beautiful. And the other thing is we are already in a buy position with this one. We are already in a buy position, 3 positions in. Then what happened? What exactly happened? The market started pumping, delivering. The market started feeling the inefficiencies. What are the inefficiencies? TP2 not hit, another TP2 not hit, another TP2 not hit, another TP2 not hit. Right there, most of the TP2 was hitting, it is delivered. And then went to TP3, it is delivered. Anything that is moving more than that is contributing to the previous bigger black box that never hit TP2. I am telling you, if you go back, you're gonna see a big black box, a huge candle just like this one that didn't hit TP2, and it is seeking higher prices to achieve that, to feel the inefficiencies. Okay. So as you can see, after that, after TP3, as I expected, everyone's TP3, look at this, 4 black boxes, and that is their last TP3. Actually, they wanted TP4 too. After that, the market topped. Then what happened? Then another black box formed. So it's as expected, we take partial 30% off, but rather TP hit, stop loss it for this sale. For this sale, stop loss it, I'm saying. There is nothing to lie. So take partials. For the 3 options, take partials. Another 2 trades, take partials 30%. As the TP3 take partials, then what? Trail your stop up at break even, at entry price. Then TP4 hit, then put your stop loss at TP2, and then the market, after pausing, as you can see, it never came back. If we continue the upside, it will never come back to TP2. It may come closer to TP2 and then pump the upside. So after that, you trail to TP3, you put your stop loss at TP3. After the market leaves this place, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Then what happened? The market topped 1, 2, 3. What happened? Nothing. We didn't break nothing. Then the fourth candle broke. When I get a closer look, when I get a closer look, what happened? This, my battery is getting low. These two candles are the ones which are similar in shape. Are these candles, not these dodges. These are X related. Only I am interested with this one. So that is I say. I don't care if the market moves up, I will buy it again. If the market moves up, I will buy it again. So that's the same downside. Stop loss upside. And then another pump to the downside. Your stop loss is at TP2 now, right? It's beautiful. So this is it. It's getting dark. So you're not gonna be able to see me anymore because I'm outside and it's getting dark. Okay. So next time I will touch this huge candle. Look at that dump. Look at that dump. That's why I sometimes tell you that this tip is, the third candle, when it dumps, bro, sometimes look at that, it dumps like crazy. And then it traded a little bit down with a new candle, just like I told you, and then changed direction, it broke the high. Now we are in a buy mode. If the market comes really close down there, I'm gonna buy it. I don't care. My stop loss down there, it's a little bit risk. I don't care. My reward will be nuts. It will be nuts. So a retest is the best choice. But if there is no retest, then I'm gonna use a black box just like this one to drive the markets upside. As you can see, this black box. Beautiful stuff. Thank God for this. If this was not around, bro, I'll never trade. I'm telling you the truth, bro. Oh my God. It would have been crazy, bro. Working 9 to 5 every day. You have seen me on my previous video. I didn't sit for a second. I was running wild. I had to work. I had to pause the video so much that you yourself saw how crazy it is. And the money that they pay you, it does not even fill your rent. It does not fill your clothes. It does not get you any new clothes, no new shoes. It is nuts, bro. It is slavery, bro. It's slavery. I have to unshackle myself. Throw the chains out, and then move out of this cave, bro. This cave is slavery, bro. It's slavery. Simply slavery. It's modern slavery. 95 is modern slavery. It's slavery. No other explanation for this, okay? It's slavery. So pure slavery. I have to get my freedom. I need to get my freedom. I can't work this just like this, okay? I need to work on myself. I need to free myself and help others too. Okay? So anyways, it's about 30 minutes. It's good. It's better than 1 hour, right? So it's good. So all I'm trying to do here is show you the way to freedom. Okay, the way to freedom. If you know how to make money in this market, it will be crazy. Your life will change, bro. Your life will change. Okay. The other parts are psychology, and we will nail that. We will nail it. Okay. Psychology is that is not entering 100% of your account and not being greedy, not being fearful. Okay. I'm teaching you how to avoid those things too, right? I'm talking about risk management. I'm talking to take 30% profit, to control your fear, and then to control your greed. I'm talking to traders of saying more. Okay. I am sharpening the weapon that we slice through it like a butter. It's simple. It cannot get any simpler than this. It is simple. It's the simplest strategy ever. Bro, it's simple. There's nothing simple and powerful than this strategy. You cannot get it anywhere else, bro. So thank God for this. Thank God for this, for getting this, for meeting me at all, for getting to know me. You gotta thank God, okay? So thank you for watching, and I love you. So I'll see you in the next one.